My name is Mercedes Pineda, and I am a Center for Legal Inclusiveness scholarship recipient.
Mercedes was born in New Jersey and raised speaking both Spanish and English, a child of immigrants.
My parents actually came to the United States in the mid-1970s when they were fleeing the Civil War in El Salvador. Because they came to the United States when they were teenagers, they didn't even have the opportunity to really start high school, but they always valued education and believed that was just something that their children needed to focus on.
Mercedes graduated from Cornell, worked as a paralegal, then earned her law degree at CU Boulder. Today she is an associate at Sherman and Howard, and her family couldn't be more proud.
It's one of the wonderful parts of the being in the United States is that you have all these opportunities available.
One such opportunity was the Center for Legal Inclusiveness Scholarship.
And it makes a huge difference when you're a student living off loans and you can't work while studying full-time.
Scholarships are just one component of the CLI mission.
The Center for Legal Inclusiveness is a nonprofit based in Denver, and we work to make the legal profession more diverse and inclusive. And we do that by working with legal employers, so law firms, in-house departments of corporations, government agencies, even other nonprofits.
Law is the least diverse profession. For starters, 85% of lawyers are white. Compare that to some other careers. Further, racial and ethnic minorities are inadequately represented in leadership in the law profession. And the numbers go beyond ethnicity. For example, while 50% of law grads are women, only 21% are partners at large firms. And the LGBT and disabled communities are also poorly represented in law and leadership positions. CLI is working to change the numbers through a unique approach.
You can't just go out there and say, okay, we're going to increase the number of students that go to college, that then go to law school, that then become attorneys. It also deals with educating those in the workforce to recognize the importance of why having a diverse and inclusive legal profession is critical to their success.
Creating a more diverse and inclusive legal profession requires deliberate efforts, and CLI uses a three-prong approach. First, pipeline. Reaching students in high school, college, and law school through a variety of programs. Second, recruitment, making connections through career fairs, networking events, and relationships. Third, retention and advancement, educating through a variety of programs, training sessions, and legal summits. Ultimately, CLI's work benefits not just lawyers, but all of us.
If we are able to get more legal employers like law firms, government agencies, in-house counsel, to focus on becoming actually more diverse and inclusive, open to different ideas and attorneys from various communities, and compensate them on an equal or fair basis, then I think you'll see a more diverse legal profession, which then would result in a more fair and just legal system.
When I was in Philadelphia recently, I participated in a panel of lawyers on diversity and inclusiveness efforts and spoke about what's happening in the Denver legal community and inside my company, Molson Coors. And afterwards, a lot of lawyers from around the country approached me, just absolutely amazed at what we're doing in Denver.
And that's as a result, I think, of the work done by CLI and the openness with which the Colorado legal community has embraced the efforts and has essentially walked the talk.
Because of CLI's rigorous approach to making the legal profession more diverse and inclusive, attorneys like Mercedes are able to gain more opportunities while legal employers reap the benefits of creating a more inclusive workplace.